Actually want to make money trading the financial market, I want you to watch this video to the very end. As you are watching this video, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click on the notification bell so that anytime I drop more videos, YouTube gonna notify you. And if this is your first time hearing my voice, my name is Mitchell, the number one trading educator who truly cares about you watching me right now becoming an independent profitable trader. And today right now I want to show you my analysis, the breakdown of this trade. This is volatility 31x index. Okay, I picked this trade on 3rd, okay, on 3rd of March this month. All right, and I'm gonna give you breakdown of this trade, how this trade hits Excel, all right, and how I pick this trade back again and make profit using my one and only strategy, TUBA strategy. I'm gonna show you everything step by step in this video, so make sure that you watch this video to the very end because you have a lot of things to learn from this video. You're going to understand how this take in the seed work, how the forex market work. You're going to understand. I'm going to explain everything for you step by step. All right, and let me tell you something. A lot of you think that TUBA strategy is only for synthetic indices. The answer is no. I receive one testimonial yesterday. Just look at this. All right, from one of my mentees, Tubation. All right, he said that Mitchell, your mentorship is different from everything I have ever seen. All right, TUBA strategy helped me understand the market psychology behind moves. I just made $3,800 from one trade BTC USD. All right, now look at this chart here. Okay, this he made this using TUBA strategy. This is TUBA strategy setup. Okay, what I'm showing you this is that to tell you that you can use TUBA strategy to trade synthetic indices or currency pairs or cryptocurrencies and stock market. Okay, you can use TUBA strategy if you understand it very well. Then you're gonna use it to trade every market of your choice, and they work with every pairs. And it's not difficult. It's just for you to pay close attention. All right. So there are a lot of testimonies, but I just want to show you this, okay, so that you can know. I don't know, maybe you love trading currency pairs. See also this one, all right. So maybe you love trading currency pairs, you love trading maybe stock or crypto. You can still use TUBA strategy to trade it. Okay, so if you want to join this my Telegram channel, all you just need to do is to click the link under this description of this video. If you're watching on YouTube, the description of this video, you can join, or you go to Telegram channel and type at Mitchell Tuba, at Mitchell Tuba, to join Trade with Mitchell Tuba Nation. Remember, I don't offer signals. All right, I only mentor you to become an. Let's go straight to the point. If you have watched the last video or the other of my videos, you know how I trade. Okay, now anytime, let me repeat this, anytime you come to the market, okay, anytime you come to the market, you open your chart. Okay, the first thing to do is to analyze your trade. And how do you analyze? You start from the higher time frame. Okay, you start from higher time frame. One of your higher time frame may be from H4 or D1. And if you are trading, why I always use 24 hours or D1 because this trading view here, all right, this derivative trading view only stop at 24 hours. Okay, so if you are trading using trading view on currency pairs, you have more time frames, like you have 1 month, you have weekly, you have 6 months, 12 months, or thereabout, or even yearly. But here stop at 24 hours. So the first thing I do is to go to my 24 hours, which is the daily time frame. All right, you first of all go to your daily time frame, and now looking at daily time frame, remember, as of the time I picked this entry, this market was around this zone. So nothing here. This move have not happened then. Okay, the market was a kind of like this. All right, the market was just like this as of the time I picked this entry. And now looking at this market, we find out that um, the market is on a downtrend. And if you check very well, the time as of the time I traded this one hit Excel, right, before dropping. Okay, it hit Excel here before dropping down. Now see this one, see this big move. This one give us 1:4 as of the my TP, and if you extend it to the place you stop, this give us 1:7. All right, and if you check also here give us 1:3. Okay, and if you check to the upside, okay, give us 1:5. Okay, now what about this trade here? The same thing, this one also, okay, give us 1:5 already. From here to here, give us 1:5. And if we extend it down, we make almost 1:10. So imagine this one is 1:10. Okay, now this is tuba for you. Okay, this mass strategy, trade with mutual unbeatable accurate. Okay, now how do I pick this entry? Okay, now you come here, you find out that the market have changed direction. Market is now selling down. All right, the market is now selling down. Okay, now if you are new, don't understand how the trend works, I have made a video step by step on how to identify market structure. It's in the tuba strategy mentorship. It's already there, so you can go there, watch this video step by step from the beginning to the end. Okay, you understand and trade like me. Now once I have understand the trend of the market, the next thing for me to do is to go to H4. All right, I'm just trying to simplify tuber for you. It's not that hard. Maybe you have lose a lot of money in the forex market. You are now struggling. You are maybe quit on your own side. You may say, I don't want to trade again because I have lose a lot of money, or saying that trading does not work, trading is a scam, blah 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 blah, and you are back to your 9 to 5 job. No problem. But before you quit totally, I want you to try this strategy. All right, I want you to try this right. Not only just trying it, I want you to pay close attention, study the strategy, then see how it works. Now, since we are in the H4, there is something that I want you to look at here. One thing I want you to find anytime you come to H4 is to look for inducement. It's very, very important. Okay. And the way I identify my inducement is quite different. Okay. The way I identify my inducement is quite different. Even here on YouTube, you cannot find it because I discovered this by myself. Okay. And because of you don't know where the inducement is, that's why a lot of you lose a lot of money, because you are just trading the inducement, and at the end of the day the market will bounce back and take you out. Okay, you will be frustrated, be like, oh, I don't know what I'm doing, I don't know why the market is always against me. Okay, so when you come to H4, the what you should be looking for is the inducement. Ask yourself, where is the inducement? Okay, where is the inducement? And I make the series videos step by step in the tuba strategy mentorship. The videos are there, go and watch it. Okay, now when I come here, I figure out the inducement. Now remember, I have traded this. Okay, I have traded this already, and this market bounce back and go up. All right, now what I'm talking about, remember earlier I told you that this trade finally hit Excel, and I'm gonna still tell you why I picked the trade again. Okay, now here, as of that time, the market was just like this. Okay, the market was just like this. The market was just like this. So, you know, since the market is like this, I'm on H4. What I should be looking for? Where is the inducement of this trade? That's the question to ask. And I immediately I found my inducement. I go straight to the H1. I'm trying to make trading simple for you. You can just do this in less than 5 or 10 minutes. All right. You can do it in less than 5 or 10 minutes. It's very, very simple. Okay. Now, as of the time I come here, all right, I come here. Okay. Now, this is my other block. Okay. I always love trading from the other block. That's the zone I love trading. After figuring out my inducement, I love trading from the other block. Now, you see this other block here. I mark it. I say this is the best place. This is the zone, the tuber zone that I know that if market comes here, it's going to react. And what happened? The market comes here, give me a confirmation. All right. Now, like I always tell you, to get my confirmation, I do go to 5 minutes, okay, to get my confirmation. All right. I'm trying to make this thing step by step for you so that you can start making money for yourself. Right now, immediately the market comes here. Okay, the market in this zone tap here, give me a confirmation. All right, this is one of our confirmation. We have a lot of confirmation is there in the TUBA Strategy mentorship. Okay, so immediately I see my confirmation, what I needed, I pick my entry here. Since the market have come here, tap, give a confirmation, I pick my entry here. Now, what happened? Okay, I'm expecting the market to sell to this point. Okay, now the market just stop here. Give me 1:3. All right, give me 1:3. See, let me tell you something. 1:3 is a very good win rate. What this simply means that, let's say you risk $10, as little as $10 here, you will be making $30. And let's say, for example, you are risking $100 here, you'll be making, you know, $300. And if you are risking $1,000 on this trade, you'll be making if you are risking $1,000, you'll be making $3,000. Okay, so 1:3 is not a bad risk reward, but the market reverse back. All right, the market reverse back. That is what we are seeing here. Like I told you, how this trade hit my Excel after going in my favor, and it just margin straight up. I was very happy. So I was targeting to this point. Okay, this point will give me 1:8, and from this point, if you reduce from the time I enter, so you're giving me 1:12. Imagine a strategy that I giving you 1:12 in a row. That's what we are talking about here. Not trading with your indicators. You wire the chart. At the end of the day, you keep on losing the money because indicators lag. Before your indicator, maybe like your moving average will give you a confirmation. We already in the trade. That is how smart traders trade. Okay, that is how professionals trade. They are already in the chart. By the time your moving average will now give you confirmation, your MA will give you confirmation that you need to buy. The market is in the trend. We already in massive profit, taking profits. So here you will be entering. You already closing. All right. So that is why you keep on losing on a daily basis. So indicator is not gonna serve you. What is gonna serve you is to study the market structure, study price action, study how the market work, study TUBA strategy, this TUBA way, and I'm explaining everything for you here step by step. All right. If you're enjoying this video, I want you to comment TUBA. Comment TUBA in the comment section and make sure that you have hit that subscribe button. Click on the notification bell so that anytime I drop more videos like this, YouTube gonna notify you. Now, what happened? All right. What happened? Remember, I'm still in the zone, and you know how I mark this zone. I mark this zone from the one H1. I did not mark it from this 5 minutes candle. I mark it from the H1. All right. Now, that is this zone. Okay. Now, this market, see what happened here. This market now come, take me out. All right. Do a little bit like this. Take me out. Okay. Come down again. Watch closely what happened. Okay, come down again. come down again. So when I see this, I say no, this market have break more structure to the downside. And if you check here very well, you find out that this market have shaped here. Okay, these have also given us a confirmation again. Okay, that this market is now making lower lows. Okay, this market is making more of lower lows here, showing that okay, I really want to sell. And what I did, immediately the market pulled back to my zone. All right, immediately the market pulled back to my zone. I now do what? I immediately pull back to my zone, the same zone, and I see a confirmation. Then what do? I pull the trigger here. All right. Then I put the trigger here, and you see what happened here. Boom. I still target to the same level. All right. I still target to the same level. Now, from here, I pick my entry to, let's see, I take here, but from here, I pick my entry. The market did not pull back again. All right. The market did not pull back. So, no, nothing like drawdown here. Markets start immediately moving in my favor. And from there, to here is now 1 is to 10. Okay, now 1 is to 10, I cover my small losses here. All right, remember my losses here was not that much. Okay, just a little bit here. And if let's say I hold this trade from here, maybe only that I don't like going against my strategy. This strategy have rules, and the rules, everything step by step, is in the TUBA Strategy mentorship. Is there the rules to follow, everything is just like a law. Right, it's just like a law. So that's why you really need to be in TUBA Strategy mentorship. If you are not there, you are missing a lot. Seriously, I must be honest with you. If you are not in the TUBA Strategy mentorship, you are really missing a lot. You have a lot to gain in TUBA Strategy mentorship than not being there. So now what happened? Watch closely. This market just hit my take profit 1 is to 10. All right. So that is simply means with a little as $10 here, you are making $100 here. With a little as $100, you are making $1,000. That's the kind of strategy we are trading with, not strategy that may be like you'll be watching on YouTube here. Okay, a lot of people will just be in a one candle of 1 2 3. They are start shouting their profit, close, close, close. No, this is a strategy that when you place trade, you relax. Okay, and before you placing your trade, you have already calculated your risk, how much you are willing to lose, and how to calculate your risk, everything step by step, so that you're not gonna lose much of your money, you're not gonna lose everything. The risk management, I talk about it in the TUBA Strategy mentorship. I talk about everything step by step. Okay, all this is to prepare you to make sure that you become an independent, profitable trader, so that you don't even need me to give you signal. And that is the reason why I stopped giving signals in the Telegram channel, because I see a lot of people keep now depending on me. Okay, even VIP signal, I close it. I no longer collect money or give signals for free, because a lot of people start depending on me. When you talk about learning, they don't want to. They want to just depend on Mitchell, because Mitchell give accurate signals. Okay, because of that, they want to depend on me. No, I don't want that to happen. I want you to learn this shit, because you can learn it. It's learnable. All right, you can learn it. You can understand it, so that you can be anywhere in the world with your PC or with your phone to make money for yourself and your family and take care of yourself, pay the bills. So now watch closely. As you can see what happened here. The market keep on selling down. All right. The market keep on selling down, keep on selling down, keep on selling down, keep on selling down. All right. So that is just it. That is just it. And if you go back to the Telegram channel, you know, find out that I'm on this trade. Okay. I'm on this trade. Go to the Telegram channel. You find out that I'm on this trade, and this trade have already given me profit. See, the one thing about trading is that you don't control the market. What you control is the risk, and you need a strategy that will help you on that. Now look at, as of the time I enter this trade here, Okay, now you may be asking me, how do I get this trade? Still the same thing. All right, still the same thing. Okay, here we go back to 24 hours. All right, we find out that we are still in the downtrend. The market is still dropping down. All right, so no confirmation here that the market want to pull back. So you keep on following the trend, you keep riding the trend. That's just simple as that. Now I move to H4 to look for my inducement. All right, that is what I want to go for H4 to do. Okay, network is low. Now going to H4, I need to find my inducement. Did I see my inducement in the H4? The answer is yes. I'm seeing my inducement. So when I see my inducement here, all right, I now go back to my um H1. All right, I go back to my H1. Okay, and then when I go back to my H1, I see a good, order block to trade from. Okay, the other block I'm trading from is from this zone. Watch closely. I'm trading from this other block here. Okay, I'm trading from this other block. Even my this Excel should be here. All right, should be above here. That is the accurate um Excel here. But why I leave there, because of I think this market have already moved. Because if I go to my M5 here, where I pick the entry, okay, where I pick the entry, the markets have already moved. All right, so markets have tapped into the zone. I pick this entry here. All right, so the markets move from all the way there to here. Okay, and if you measure from my listing, you see I've already gained 1:3. Okay, before this market even reverse, I've already made 1:3. Just look at here. Okay, I posted it in the Telegram channel. I think that should be the last signal I just dropped. So this thing is very, very simple. I want you to train your eyes so that you can see it. Go to 24 hours or daily time frame, know the trend of the market, come to your H4, figure out your inducement. All right. So the inducement is what I have talked about, everything step by step. See, you're gonna enjoy the channel, you're gonna enjoy the videos. Go to 4 hours, find out inducement. Now go to H1, look for the other block to trade from. Okay, remember, not all other block you see, that is what qualify that other block to trade from. Okay, like you see this other block I mark, immediately market reach here, react, market reach here, react, market even as the market around this zone is still reacting, right? That is something that qualifies the other block, that makes that other block valid. And I talk about all these things in the TUBA Strategy Mentorship. Now, when you find out the other block to trade from the H1, go to 5 minutes time frame to look for confirmation. That is where you pull the trigger and you calculate your Excel and take profit. I have talked about how to calculate your stop loss, your take profit in the TUBA Strategy Mentorship. Okay, if you are enjoying this video, if you got value from this video, I just want you to comment TUBA Strategy in the comment section and hit that subscribe button, click on the notification bell so that anytime I drop more educational content like this, YouTube gonna notify you. All right, and make sure you are following me in all social media. If you have not joined Trade with Mitchell TUBANATION, click the link, the description link under this video to join Trade with Mitchell TUBANATION. All right, and if you don't want to click the link, just go to Telegram channel, type at Mitchell Tuba. You now join the Trade with Mitchell TUBANATION. I love you guys so much for you watching this video to this very end. I love you and I appreciate. Make sure that you share this video to your friends and neighbors, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye for now.